The officers in Chattanooga who reportedly violated the federal Brady Doctrine, which protects information for defendants in court, those officers have been reassigned, and Liam Collins has been following this story for us. Liam?
Yeah, David, the Local 3 newsroom has filed several public records requests to try to connect the dots on this and try to find out what led to these investigations and this staffing shakeup. But tonight, we learned the officers' actions could have widespread implications in the courtroom. A staffing shuffle inside the Chattanooga Police Department. 10 officers were reassigned from enforcement jobs after internal affairs investigations found they misrepresented official information. It could have implications for any case those officers were involved in.
But it's all bad. Wherever you go on that spectrum, it's bad.
Johan Jolshagen is the CEO of Legal Playing Field Solutions, a government accountability organization specializing in the Brady Doctrine. It's a federal protection of the disclosure of information in cases. Violations of the doctrine would disqualify officers from testifying in court, since they would no longer be considered reliable.
So it creates an obligation to disclose exculpatory and impeachment evidence in the interest of fair trials.
Internal affairs investigations found the officers misrepresented official information. Before Celeste Murphy was police chief, the department treated that less severely than lying on official documents. Now Murphy says the department will treat the two offenses the same, just as the Brady Doctrine does.
The huge movement nationwide for this, it actually very much attacks the underpinnings of qualified immunity.
Jolshagen says any and every defendant in cases officers worked now have to be notified of the officers' offenses.
At the basic level, if everything else was done right, that just gives these opportunities to these defendants to get a new trial.
Incoming Hamilton County District Attorney Cody Wam told Local 3 News she would review those files when she takes office in September and then take action. Now, we still have so many questions about what happened here at the Chattanooga Police Department. We should be able to find those out through those multiple public records requests that we filed. The department, according to state law, has 10 days to either fulfill that request or to provide some sort of status update on that. And once we get those requests back, we will be sure to tell you on air and online as soon as we can figure out exactly who was involved in this situation and just what cases were affected. We're live in Chattanooga tonight. Liam Collins, Local 3 News.